If you're concerned about copyright strikes whenever you use someone's music in your YouTube videos, yes, then you are at the right place at the right time, because I'm going to show you how you get copyright free music for free on YouTube for your videos with your phone. After you open your browser, you may want to log on to YouTube or search for YouTube in the search bar in either Google or whatever. Okay, so you tap on YouTube and then it will take you to YouTube. So please do not use the YouTube app on your phone because it doesn't work that way on the phone. So you get to YouTube, you see where your channel logo is on the top right corner. So you'd have to tap on your channel logo. It will bring you to this place. Tap on YouTube Studio, yes, and then it will take you to your YouTube Studio dashboard. There you zoom out or you zoom in just to see the icons at the top or at the left side. Tap on the icon with the music symbol at the last part, and there you have it. You see a list of music. These are copyright free music. You can use them in your YouTube videos, you can use them on your social media videos, and you wouldn't receive any copyright strike or anything of that matter. Your channel or your pages wouldn't be hit. So you tap on the music, you see the download icon, you tap on download, and boom, here you have it. You can tap on download for it to actually download the music onto your device. Yes, and I need to remind you that there are a lot of music here. There are several genres of music. There are music where you can have attribution or no attribution at all. It still doesn't hurt your channel. So you see the search bar beneath audio library where you have sound effects, start, etc. Underneath you can see a search bar there. Yeah, search for the search or filter library. Yes, that is it. Tap on it and then you can see a lot of things: track title, genre, mood, artist name, duration, attribution not required, attribution required. Either of them you can select and then zoom into your preference, the kind of music you want, the genre, the mood, and whether you want the artist to be attributed in your description, etc. You can choose it from this drop down, and you're good to go without any stress. So for example, I chose attribution required because I want to give credits to the owner of whatever sound or music. And then I can also zoom down to mood, where you can have angry music that are depict anger, bright, calm, dark, dramatic, funky, etc., inspirational through to sad. Either of them you can select. So I will go for happy just for demonstration's sake. Then you click on apply, or you tap on apply. There you have it. So all these music are music that depicts happiness, and the various artists will be attributed in your channel description. And again, I say it does not hurt your channel in any way. They are copyright free. You wouldn't receive any copyright strike or anything. So you can play around with it and then try to fine tune or just to find the exact music you want. And you need to be reminded also that you can have music with voice, and then you can have solely beats. So there you have it. You have hip hop and rap, you have electric and dance, you have country and folk, cinematic, classical, children's movie. Even if you want to create content for children, you can go for that one. Then you can have jazz and blues, etc. So whatever you filter, it gives you a list of music in that category for you to use for your videos or your YouTube content. So there you have it. If you are pleased, if you love our content, make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever we drop a content, you'll be the first to know. And make sure you spread the good news by sharing our content, like and then comment. Let us know the kind of videos you want to watch so that we bring it to you live and